Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to record calls in Galaxy A06 device. Guys, we are going to use the third-party application for this. So just install the application name called recording. Okay, so this one is the application called Recorder Automatic. Just install this application, guys, and then open it. Accept it, guys, and allow the permissions. Okay, just set it to call recorder. Okay, guys, now when you have an incoming call, so your call will be recorded automatically and you will get the recording here. And if you have an outgoing call, so your call will be recorded automatically and again you have the recording here. So this is the best application for this, guys, and that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.